First look, specs, and release date of Moto G8 Plus. Few days ago, alleged Moto G8 Plus images appeared, ahead of the handset's announcement later this month. So, let's look at the renders, and the supposed specifications for the mid-range phone. The phone is referred to as the Moto G8 Plus, with the model number XT2019. The device comes with a 6.3-inch Full HD IPS display, with a selfie camera contained in a small notch. Just above the notch is a large speaker port, perhaps indicating the device will have stereo loudspeakers. Below the screen is a relatively large chin. The phone is said to pack a Snapdragon 665 chipset paired with 4 GB of RAM and can be configured with either 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, also expandable via micro SD card slot. There's a large 4000 mAh battery, rechargeable via turbo power charge, and offers a 3.5mm headphone jack. The phone is depicted in both blue and red. Judging from the renders of the back of the phone, Motorola will go with tapered glass on the back to offer a more ergonomic grip. Around back there's a fingerprint scanner, and a triple cam setup with laser autofocus, consisting of a 48 megapixels main camera, a 16 megapixels ultrawide with 117-degree field of view, which is said to be advertised as an action cam, like on the Moto One Action, so you can shoot landscape footage while holding the phone in portrait. Finally, there's a 5 megapixels depth sensor. And the front-facing selfie camera is said to be at 25 megapixels. The phone will support Bluetooth 5.0, LTE Cat 13, dual-band Wi-Fi, and it is 9.1 mm thick, with a weight of 188 grams. The Moto G8 Plus is expected to be announced at an event in Brazil on October 24. Pricing and availability is not yet available. So that's it for this video. Let me know what do you think about Moto G8 Plus. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.